In this guide, we'll explore step-by-step instructions to help you recover deleted iCloud backup easily. Method 1. How to recover deleted backup from iCloud on iCloud Drive. Utilizing iCloud Drive provides you with the capability to retrieve data that has been deleted within a 30-day window. Step 1. Open iCloud.com on your computer and sign in using your iCloud account. Then choose Settings. Step 2. Navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and select Recently Deleted. Step 3. Opt to recover all for restoring all deleted files, or alternatively, choose specific individual files for recovery. Step 4. Click on Recover to complete the process. Method 2. How to recover deleted iCloud backup from apps. You can also recover deleted documents, contacts, and calendars within a 30-day period using the new Data Restore feature on iCloud.com. However, it's essential to verify that you have activated the backup option for contacts, calendars, reminders, and bookmarks on your iPhone beforehand. Step 1. Sign into iCloud.com. Locate your name in the top right corner of your browser and select Account Settings. Step 2. Scroll down to the Advanced section and choose Restore Files or select the relevant option based on the lost data type. Step 3. In the dialog box that appears, mark the boxes next to the files you wish to recover, and then click Restore. Your data will be restored to their original folders. Method 3. How to recover deleted iCloud backup from File app. This method uses the iPhone's built-in Data Restore feature, but make sure you've already enabled backups for contacts, calendars, reminders, and bookmarks. Step 1. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Recently Deleted under the Locations tab. Step 3. Locate the file you want to recover and check the box next to it. Step 4. Tap Restore File S to bring your file back. Method 4. How to recover deleted iCloud backup via Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery. Coolmuster iPhone Data Recovery helps users easily recover deleted iCloud backup data, including contacts, photos, and other important files. The tool allows you to preview deleted data and check the backup, enabling you to selectively recover specific data rather than restoring the entire backup. Step 1. Launch the software and select the Recover from iCloud mode. Sign into your iCloud account when prompted to proceed. Note: if two-factor authentication is required, enter the verification code sent to your iOS device and click Verify to continue. Step 2. Next, choose the file types you want to recover and click Next to begin a quick scan. This will allow you to preview more details of your iCloud backup files. Step 3. Once you've selected the files to restore, click Recover to Computer to save them on your computer.